A quality soldering station can give you exceptional control over the heat with which you make and break necessary connections. This will be a great add-on for those who show interest in crafting new designs on circuit boards. When it comes to choosing the right one for your requirements, you may come across different brands and models that are available in the market. To find the best soldering stations, you'll need to look at several things. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The OhYou 469 soldering kit is equipped with a fast-acting PTC ceramic heater, suitable for advanced soldering needs. It has a separate tip and heater design, offers cost efficiency and easy replacement of tips. Also, the portable and lightweight design of the system save precious desktop space and allow easy packing for occasions when off-site soldering is required. Besides, it provides a long-life ceramic heating element with a temperature of 200 to 400 degrees Celsius. Another advantage is that it gives you the liberty to choose from 50 different tip sizes in whatever way they suit your project or construction needs. It allows simple storage and transportation of the station together with soldering irons if it is needed outdoors. Moreover, it is equipped with a quick heating PTC ceramic heater, and the station is ideal not only for a hobby but also for professional soldering. The Xtronic model features a blue LED fully adjustable temperature display, a 10-minute sleep timer, and auto cooldown function and a C/F switch. It comes with a magic temperature compensation technology that helps keep the soldering iron at a constant temperature no matter what type of job you're working on. It also has a self-test function with full intelligence on overtemps, short circuits, and overloads. Also, the 60-watt soldering iron that has an ergonomic heat-resistant grip with a temperature range of 200 degrees Celsius, 480 degrees Celsius / 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. It also features a 152 centimeter silicone cord from the tip of the soldering iron to the main unit. You can quickly change the LED digital readouts from centigrade to Fahrenheit for the soldering iron temperature with a flip of the switch. The SelaDSS A51 soldering station comes with power unit, soldering iron, aluminum soldering stand, brass solder tip, cleaning wire, and sponge. It is a 55-watt soldering iron that heats up to standby efficiently just in a few minutes. You can press up and down buttons to set the desired value, which is thermostat range 180 to 450 degrees Celsius. Also, the pure aluminum soldering stand is 18.3 ounces in weight, 16.2 length by 7.6 width by 9.9 height centimeters, and the dual safety design protects users from burns, keeps the iron at a right angle, heat dissipation quickly. Besides, the solder tip cleaning wire is made from coils of brass, suitable for removing excess solder from the tip. It also holds the iron and keeps the tips lasting longer. The Weller WLC100 features a variable power control that lets you accurately adjust the power level from 5 watts to 40 watts with a simple turn of the knob. It allows you to choose the precise setting for each unique job that you tackle, confirming proper power for the application. It provides a lightweight pencil iron that features a cushioned foam grip handle, ensuring you can work comfortably. Also, it includes a Weller certified ST3 iron-plated copper tip to help keep the temperature consistent while making soldering joints. Besides, the ST tips are constructed of solid copper and are plated with iron as well as nickel and chromium to protect against corrosion and solder creep. Moreover, it offers a wide array of compatible ST series tips to perform a variety of applications. The Saiwan 60-watt ESD soldering iron kit equipped with a magnifying glass, 2 alligators, a soldering iron stand, and a solid metal base. Its orbital joints can be adjusted and removed. It has a handheld module that features on-off switch, temperature adjustment knob, and LED indicator. Also, the upgraded heat insulation material and steel pipe design will protect the iron from being melted due to long time overheat. Besides, the 44 inches silicone cord is very anti-abrasive and flexible, even in cold winter. Moreover, it provides a total 6 high-quality soldering iron tips that heat up and cool down very quickly. With this convenient module, you can handle different soldering work easily, and the temperature range is 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. Holding the first place among the list of best soldering stations, we have the ANBES Soldering Iron Kit. It has a secure base and is safer than any other thin soldering stand. It has 5 multiple tip replacements, heat and impact, the resistant design of screw thread, so the iron head is not easy to drop. Also, it comes with rugged metal construction, and the desoldering pump is a high-pressure vacuum tube with aluminum body frame, which allows easy one-handed use, best for removing solder from PCB through hole solder joints. Besides, it has 5 multiple tip replacements, heat and impact the resistant design of screw thread so the iron head is not easy to drop. Moreover, it provides a rugged metal construction, and the desoldering pump is a high-pressure vacuum tube with aluminum body frame, which allows easy one-handed use, best for removing solder from PCB through hole solder joints. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you thought we did well with this video, and subscribe to get more videos like this in the future. Press the bell icon to get instant notifications.